wake up. Come on, buddy.
Oh, his chest is moving. That means he's breathing. That's gotta be good, right?